Hey guys! Did you know that there's a ceiling fan out there that looks more like a piece of modern art than a home appliance? Have you ever seen a ceiling fan that looks like this? Well, buckle up because today, we're diving into a house that's all about crazy ceiling fans that will totally blow your mind. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring a unique concept that's redefining how we think about ceiling fans in home design. This crazy ceiling fan house is not just a place to live, it's a statement piece that catches the eye and sparks the imagination. Get ready to see how these fans take center stage in the most unexpected ways. Presentation of problem/challenge. Now, let's talk about the common misconceptions surrounding ceiling fans. A lot of folks see them as just practical devices that keep the air moving but often overlook their potential as design elements. Typically, ceiling fans are seen as boring, utilitarian objects that blend into the background. But what if I told you that they can be so much more? In this ceiling fan house, we challenge the idea that fans have to be plain and ordinary. Instead, they can add flair and creativity to a room, transforming it from drab to fab. This house is here to prove that ceiling fans can break the mold, and they deserve a spotlight in your home. Exploration/development. Alright, let's take a virtual tour. As we step inside, you're immediately greeted by a stunning entryway featuring a fan that looks like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. It's sleek, it's bold, and it's a conversation starter. Moving through the living room, you'll notice a fan that has a rustic charm, made from reclaimed wood. It seamlessly ties in with the cozy decor while still making a statement. As we head into the kitchen, there's a fan that's not just functional but also a piece of art, with colorful blades that add a pop of color to the space. Each room showcases a different style of ceiling fan, demonstrating how these fixtures can harmonize with various themes, from modern minimalism to bohemian vibes. This house is truly a celebration of creativity, where ceiling fans aren't just for cooling down, they're a key element of the design. Climax/key moment. Now, let's get to the highlight of this tour, the most extraordinary ceiling fan in the house. This beauty is a custom-made masterpiece that features intricate designs and LED lights that dance in sync with the fan's rotation. It's not just a cooling device, it's an enchanting focal point that lights up the entire room. Imagine hosting a dinner party and watching your guests' jaws drop as they marvel at this stunning piece. This fan stands out not only for its aesthetics but also for how it enhances the overall atmosphere of the space, making it feel alive and vibrant. It truly embodies the idea that a ceiling fan can be both functional and fabulous. Conclusion/summary. To wrap it all up, this ceiling fan house challenges our traditional notions of home aesthetics. It showcases how ceiling fans can elevate a space, turning a practical necessity into a stylish statement. From the entryway to the kitchen, each fan adds its own unique flair, proving that design and functionality can go hand in hand. If you thought ceiling fans were just an afterthought, this house will definitely change your mind. Call to action, CTA. So, what do you think? Which ceiling fan design was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to check out my other home design videos for more inspiration. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
voices.